make sure life for them and their families is a little less stressful, a little more secure, so they can be the dads their kids need them to be. Because there's nothing more precious in life than the time we spend with.
And you know, growing up is stressful, and taking tests are stressful, and getting that paper in on time. They do very hard work under very stressful circumstances, and almost invariably do an outstanding job. I will say some of the games were just stressful, though. Of course, once the glow wears off, this can be a stressful time for millions of students. And they're asking themselves, how on earth am I going to...
For just healthy eating and exercise, just learn a ton and how stressful that could be, and also to learn this empathy to help other people too.